Good morning and welcome back to the coding class, everyone. Today we are going to learn how to import models, date and time models. The last time I sent some assignments in the Slack channel for you to try your hands on it. Today I'll be adding something new to it so that you can also add and practice more on your Python skills. Now, as you can see from my screen, my VS Code editor. I have something here saying import. So I have something here saying import date time. This import or this model is used to call the date time model in Python. So wherever or each time you want to print out a date or time in your Python program, you would have to call this model in your Python program. So here I called it import date time. I went to the Python library, then I imported it here. Now after importing it, I'm supposed to get the current date and time. Now, it depends on you, the programmer, what you want to actually get from the library you've imported. Here, I'm getting the current date and time. Note that it won't automatically print the current date and time for you unless you bring a function. So we brought another function now where now is equal to date time dot here we are going to print the now function for us to receive the current date and time. I'm going over again. Today we are learning about how to import the date and time library in our Python program. So you are building an app, you want a timestamp in the app. When you talk about a timestamp, for example, in your various social media platform, when you post, the time actually indicated under the post. So someone sent you a message at let's say 8 a.m. So the person said hello. Now when you go to your social media platform, either WhatsApp or whatever media you are using, now, under the message, you see the timestamp. So you see hello, then you see 8 o'clock p.m. there. So that timestamp you can do, or you can import it, or you can use it in your Python application or your Python program. And how you can use it is by importing date time library. Now, to import a date time library, you have to call the date time. Now we here I imported the date time. Then I'll set a function that's going to get the current date and the time. Now I set the function now is equal to date time dot now. Then here I came here to print the now, the function here, function now. Let's run this code. Now you can see here my current date and time has been printed. Says 4th, 4th May 2023 at 9:14, and the hours is 9, the minute is 14, the seconds is 44 dot and microseconds. Please, any question so far? Now we can also print only the current date. Here we printed both the date and time. We can print the current date, only the current date. To do so, we will go here and try and adjust. So we will say date time as date time dot date, date time dot date, then dot today, today. Let's run the code. Now you can see I have my results. I only printed the date. So the first one, I printed both time and date. And the second one, I printed just the date. So for you to print the date, you set the date time dot date dot today. Right. Please, any question? Now we want today's date. We can also print today's date. So you can also customize today's date. So your output can be like, oh, today's date is equal to. We can do so very simple way by, so we just can do today's date is equal to. Now the date, we have the date, then today's date. Let's run this code. Now you can see perfectly we have today's date is, then the date is being showed there. Very simple. Okay. Now we can also print date objects. So we can print today's year, today's month, and today's day. So let's do so here. Now in the top here, so maybe we can say today, there's today equal to date or today. Then we can start our printing. So we can say current year, current month, current day. Right. So our main motive here is to print the current year, the current month, and the current day. So let's run our code. Now it's being printed successfully. So we have our current year, our current month, our current day. As simple as that. Any question? Right. Now I'll give assignment. So the next assignment you have to do is to create Python, a simple Python program or app that shows the dates of 2 days. The date of 2 days, so showing the day, the time. So, for example, your app should be in such a way that it takes right. Let me type it in your Slack channel so that everyone can see it. So kindly check your Slack channel for your assignment. Any question, please? If there are no questions, thank you for joining today's class. Please, those who have not completed the previous assignment, do all to complete it and add this one to it. Thank you.